Hey there, today we're going to look at how to start a newsletter on Substack 2025 tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. First, head over to Substack and sign in. If you don't have an account, sign up. Over here, click on your account in the upper right corner and then select Settings. After that, look for the option to create another publication and click it. Then choose a name and URL for your publication and click Continue. If you have a mailing list, click on Select File to import it. Alternatively, you can add subscribers manually using their email addresses. Once done, hit Continue. Then click on New Post and choose Text Post. After that, enter a title for your post. Then add a highlight to emphasize the key message. Over here, add a subtitle to provide extra context. Now write the body content for your post. Once finished, click Continue in the upper right corner. Then choose whether to send the post to everyone or only paid subscribers. Over here, adjust the comment settings. Then add tags to help readers discover your post. After that, decide whether to schedule or send it instantly. Then choose Send via email and the Substack app. Finally, click Continue and then Send to everyone now. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next